Hope you guys are doing well. In this video we are going to start the Capcut video editing series. In this video I'm going to tell you that how you can edit Capcut videos in a desktop project in PC. So first of all, here we can see these are the recent projects whom I have worked, and here you have to click for the new project. So as you can see here, our Capcut is open. Now what you have to do, simply you have to import the file and you have to select that which video you want to be edited. I am going to select these two videos. Let me select some other. I'm going to select this one, and this one. Now open them. After opening them, simply you have to click on the video and drag into the timeline. So here I have drag it in the timeline. So this video is now in timeline. So to this option we call play ahead or cursor option. This can be, you can put it anywhere. You can drag it anywhere you want. You can see the frame. So basically let's have an introduction of the timeline. This is the timeline and this is the preview window. Here you can import the files which you want to edit, and we are going to discuss about these options and these properties too. So first of all, let's discuss about the basic. If you want to cut the video, simply you have to press the shortcut key Ctrl B and it will be automatically cut. If you don't want to cut from using shortcut key, you can also cut using this. It is called split. This is a split option. This is used for cutting a video. Click on this split. Now your video is separate, and as you can see here, you can see the time frame where your video is, and this is the timeline. You can zoom in, zoom out from here. These are the basic options. You can zoom in, zoom out the video timeline. If you want to add a picture, you can also add a picture too. This is the video, and if you want to put a video between them, you have to off this option, which is called magnet track. You have to off it. After making it off, you have to click on this and drag another video between them and drag here. Keep it here and mix this video by this. Put it here and this will work. Now as you can see, this is a simple. You can see the video are merged and video is edited. So simply let's go to the next section, which is called audio section. In the audio section, if you want to add any audio in your video, you can also do that. As you can see here, the icon of download. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to stop it. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to download the video. Once it's downloaded, you can use in future. I have downloaded this video audio and I'm going to drag this out here, and now you can see you can reduce the sound. You can reduce the sound. You have to click on this. After clicking on this, as you can see the option here, volume, you can reduce it. I'm going to put it here. You can also reduce. You can use it according to your need. And here you can see, if you want sound effect, you can click on the sound effect. You are going to see a lot of sound effects. So these are the basic options. So I hope for this class this is enough, and we will discuss about the other options in the next class.